Hello, good morning mga guys. Good morning. Dito po tayo ngayon sa Great Canadian Oil Change. Para magpa-oil change din sa sasakyan natin is due for oil change na. So tingnan natin kung ano yung meron dito. Supposed to be 30 minutes lang po ito, kaso lang medyo mahaba-haba yung pila dito. Kaya magantay-antay tayo dito. Dito yung Albert Street. Medyo nakaparada. Banti na yata tayo. Yung sasakyan natin pala June na kasi nilagyan na lang ng sticker dito. May sticker nakalagay last time kung nagpa oil change June 2023. Kaya ngayon June, July, August, September, October, 4 months. Okay, it's supposed to be kung maka-reach siya ng 124,765 ka na siya. Yun na siya for oil change. Tingnan natin yung speedometer, kung mileage niya. 125 na. So, kailangan na talaga bago mag-winter. Yeah guys, antayin natin na yung turn natin. Siguro mabilis lang naman to kasi automatic naman yan. Dalawang lane nga pala dito. Yan, yung isang lane. Tingnan natin yung, kasi last time dito rin ako nagpa oil change kaya okay na ako. Chine-check nila yung light, left, right, tail light, front light, headlight, tsaka yung filter ng sasakyan mo, yung windshield din, papalit. Kung gusto mo windshield wiper, kung gusto mong palitan, nagpapalit rin sila, pero additional charge din yun. Ang in-offer nga pala nilang dito, pa-change oil either conventional or synthetic. Yung synthetic medyo mas mahal, pero okay na naman ako sa conventional mas lesser. Okay, ito yung perks ng may sasakyan ka, kailangan mong i-maintain na pag kailangan na i-maintain talaga para tumagal pa yung sasakyan mo, lalo araw-araw ginagamit. Mga pala tayo guys, mga Albert Street. Yan, yung dati walang traffic light dito Yan, Red Lobster. Tapos dyan may Filipino store yung Kuya Wayne. Maraming branches tong Great Canadian Oil Change kaya lang medyo comfortable ako dito at saka medyo accessible. Kaya dito na ako pumunta. For the past years, ito na rin ako nagpa-oil change kasi yung nagbubukas yung mga pinto. Yan. Papasok tayo kahit na winter time. Okay pa rin kasi yung loob niyan is heated. Kaya any season okay sila. Okay, antayin natin yung turn natin. Hello, ang ano pala dito sa change oil pala, oil change every other 6 months ako, or kung ma-reach mo na yung 5,000 kilometer na mileage, kaya kailangan mong magpa-change oil na. At saka nag-a-appear naman sa dashboard ng sasakyan mo na maintenance required na. Kaya yun yung ibig sabihin nun, magpapa-oil change ka na. Kaya sa mga may sasakyan, gano'n na, alam nila yon, nag-a-appear na mismo sa dashboard. O sa mga bago pa lang na may sasakyan tulad ko, kaya na pala in-approach tayo nung attendant. Nagtatanong sila kung gusto nila or coffee or tea habang nag-aantay. Okay rin yung customer dito, customer relation dito, customer service pala tawag yan, para babalik na, sabi niya in a couple of minutes matatapos na yung nasa unahan ko, kaya ready na ako. Okay, nabukas na, bukas na. I'm ready. Yun, tapos na yung nasa unahan ko. Less than 30 minutes lang. Kaya pasok na ako mga beshi. Yun, ito yung oil change ko dito. Yeah, that's still the same rest. Yeah. Mm.
You got conventional for 64, semi-synthetic for 89, and full synthetic for 104.
Just that bulb hole in here. Yeah. One two five 290. 125,290, yeah. 125. Yeah. Antay tayo ng 30 minutes dito. Time is 10:02.
Alrighty, before you begin here, can you start the back door?
Left.
Lights are looking good there. How the windshield markers treat you today, good sir?
I think that's still good.
They're looking pretty good there. The rubber is still intact there. Lights are looking good.
Yan, tinanggal nila. Yan, chine-check yung oil. Will dip, will stick.
That's right for our person here for you.
Thank you.
And then what kind of coffee did you say you wanted?
Just double.
Double?
Thank
Perfect.
you. Yeah.
Alrighty. And then shut her down. I got those keys, and I'll begin with the oil change here for you, good sir. Thank you very much.
Habang nag-aantay tayo, binigyan tayo ng coffee. At saka dash wife. Okay. Siguro malinis naman siguro to. Okay lang yan. Looks good. Linisin natin yung yan o. Yung ginagawa lang nila. Yan. Diyan pala makikita natin na chine-check ng attendant yung windshield oil natin. Windshield washer, oil, at saka yung tawag dito. At saka yung brake fluid, windshield washer fluid pala tawag doon. Ayan, i-report nila sa kasama niya sa baba. Yan palang ginagawa ko habang nag-aantay sa oil change. Pero it's time na linisin ko yung dashboard. Kasi medyo malikabok. Kasi lagi naka-open yung window ko. Yan, naglilinis ako dyan. Linis habang linisin yung manubela. Ayan pala, naka-view sa monitor kung magkano yung babayaran ko at saka yung ilalim ng sasakyan ko. Kung anong ginagawa nila, yun yung sasakyan ko. Yun. Pinilitan nila, kaya walang daya. Makikita mo naman sa video na ginagawa sa ilalim. Kaya mapagkatiwalaan.
We can do the transmission services on this one. Have you ever had the transmission technology before?
None yet.
Right? Is that something you want to get done today?
What's that? What do you mean by that?
Pardon?
What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that?
Transmission service. So it's the transmission fluids that we flush out. It helps with your gears going into drive, reverse.
Is it due already?
Have you had it done before?
No, not yet.
No. So you are at 125,000. Usually it's every 97,000. So yeah, you are due for it if you want. We can charge $200 for that service. If not, I can recommend it for you for next time. Just try to get it done before $200,000.
Ah, okay, yeah.
You want me to recommend it?
Maybe I'll come back next time.
Back next time.
I always come here.
Come back without an oil change or anything. Just be like, hey, I just want my transmission.
Okay, yeah.
Radiator service, which is your coolant flush, you had 161,000, so you don't have to do that just yet there. Serpentine belt visual inspection, no crackers or holes in that belt, so that belt is something you'll get for rear diff every 24,000, and transfer cases every 24,000. We can do the rear diff, but we can't do the transfer cases. Skip the rear. So that, you just change up the fluids on that one, we drain it, put in your oil from the rear diff there, sorry. That would you charge $120 for that service? It takes about 10 minutes. So something like that today.
Can I do that during next time? Together with the transmission, yeah.
Engine air filter. Still looking good there. Not too bad. And here's a little comparison here for you. It'll look a little cleaner, but not much of a difference.
Oh, yeah.
Still look pretty good there. And then engine air filter, or no, not engine air filter. Fuel injector cleaner service every 15,000 with a bottle for $20 that goes into your gas tank. Cleans out your fuel filter. The fuel lines fuel injectors. Most importantly, helps out with your gas mileage as well. Would you like me to throw a bottle in the gas tank there for you?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Yeah, $20 for that little bag. And then everything underneath the hood, just top up washer, power steering, this electric fluids, full belts, hoses, looking good, air filter, looks good. Good option cab, wipers are good, lights are good. No oil life reset, so it'll just a reminder for your next oil change there.
Yeah.
And then underneath the meter, no visible leaks going on, so we'll
Yeah.
But yeah, that's everything. Didn't finish up with the oil change, you'll have the fuel additive in the gas tank there, and get you on the road this morning.
Yeah. Thank you.
How are you doing over here?
Oh,
Doing
I'm
okay?
good. I'm good.
How's
Yeah,
our coffee tasting?
it's
Did you
good.
want some more, or are you still?
I'm good. I'm good still. Thank you. Bilis nila magsalita, hindi ko maintindihan iba. Pero sabi, next visit, bago mag 200,000, Kailangan ko na mag-transmission flash daw tawag. Sabi ko next time na pag-visit kung may pera na kasi laking gastos namin sa furnace namin. At least alam ko na paghahandaan yung furnace. Yan, binigyan tayo ng dash wipe. Ano siya natin? Abang dito tayo. Yan, pump na. Parang nagagas lang. Chinik na lang yung wiper, okay pa daw. Walang leak, good. Hello guys, ito nga pala yung payment ko kanina sa oil change. Papakita ko sa inyo kung magkano yung breakdown. Ito pala yung payment ko kanina. Kaya nakalagay dito, conventional oil change. Tapos 64.99, chinik nila yung filter. Tapos yung Valvoline conventional oil 768, mayroon pa environmental fee kasi sila nagkatapon ng oil. Tapos tinap up nila yung washer fluid, windshield washer. Chinik nila yung drain plug gasket, okay naman. Okay, 99.65. Tapos may tax tayo, taxable amount. Dalawa kasing tax dito sa Saskatchewan, GST pati PST. Ang total of 110.61. Okay, ito pala guys. Doon ako sa mismong Great Canadian Oil Change. Ito. Bago nga pala tayo magpapa-oil change, chinik tala yung sasakyan natin. Yung VIN number, in-scan nila. Makikita nila kung yung sasakyan mo carnap o hindi. Tapos pangalan mo, telephone number. Yun lang po. Salamat.